2 homes under 1 roof. Come check it out. Take a look at this gorgeous custom-built pool with a conservation space in the back, so you'll never have rear neighbors. Give us a call today to schedule your private showing.